Hello, everyone. So it's coming up to November. Well, it's just the beginning of November. And each month, as you know, Kimerie does a newsletter, as most of you will know. Kimerie writes a little article for the newsletter, which goes out to people every month. And this month, Kimerie has been talking about gratitude and the place of gratitude in our lives in all sorts of ways and all sorts of definitions for gratitude. So I think I'm going to just pass the baton to you straight away, Kimerie, to tell us a bit about gratitude and also to tell us how it is affecting what we do here at Unity.
Wow, that's a big subject. How long have we got? So keeping this short and brief, gratitude is an experience, it's a feeling, it's a heart opening, it's an expanding, there's great here, there's so much that's good and there's even more potential here. So for me, gratitude opens us into that. And Unity is one of the many organisations that teaches about the power of gratitude. And we have lots of great material on it, which I won't go into now, but it really is, for me, it's a heart opening and it's expanding, it's possibilities. It's like, oh, I can lean into so much more than I thought was possible because gratitude opens me into that. And being November and the month of Thanksgiving in America, it just seemed a timely opportunity to write about it and talk about it and encourage everyone to spend time each day thinking about something that is a blessing that they can feel grateful for, something new each day to feel and to say thank you for, and then to watch for another new blessing the next day. And that kind of leads us on. Well, each day there's another new blessing. I mean, that can only be good, surely.
And of course, some 12-step fellowships have gratitude lists. They encourage people to have gratitude lists.
Yes.
You don't mention that here, but I'm sure you've thought about that.
It's another exercise. Yeah, some people every day will write down 10 things, 20 things, 100 things that they can feel grateful in that day. And I'm sure, as in the 12-step, that's something that really connects us into a presence and power and energy that is greater than us, that we can really experience. And I think that's the point.
And we have some classes that touch on this subject.
Yes.
And something that's starting now, soon.
Well, Iltico, who's training with us to be a minister in Unity, is also offering art and gratitude classes through Unity. The details are all on the website there. Art and gratitude. So she's creative, she's an artist, and she encourages even people like me who think I can't draw for love nor money to do something that's beautiful and has energy in it, and to help expand that feeling of gratitude. And they're just £5 a time. I mean, for 2 hours for £5, it's nothing really, but it's a creative way of experiencing gratitude.
And gratitude is contagious in a way, isn't it? I mean, once we express our gratitude, then it sort of ripples out, like a lot of these sort of qualities that we think of, spiritual qualities.
Yes, like a smile, it passes on. Yeah.
Well, that feels like a good way to end. But also, before we go, thank you to all of you for being part of our little community, and I hope that that spirit of gratitude will ripple out from your lives to those around you. So see you soon.
Thank you. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.